Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your passwords with LastPass detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your passwords using LastPass, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LastPass website at www.lastpass.com. On the home page, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner. In the login prompt, look for the Forgot Password link below the password entry field. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. You will be redirected to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your LastPass account in the provided field. Once you have entered your email, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a message from LastPass. Open the email and look for the password recovery link within the message. Click on the link to be taken to the password reset page. You may be prompted to answer your security questions, depending on your account settings. Provide the correct answers to your security questions. After verifying your identity, you will be allowed to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password and enter it in the designated field. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the confirmation field. Once your new password has been set, click the Save button to finalize the changes. You can now return to the LastPass login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click Login to access your LastPass vault. Your passwords are now recoverable and securely stored in LastPass for your future use. Be sure to keep your new password safe to prevent any further access issues. Congratulations, you've successfully recovered your LastPass account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.